AIOps looks like in ServiceNow ITOM?
Okay, so AIOps is the capability within ServiceNow where we are capturing all of those events and alerts data. So we are utilizing that, and first of all, we are analyzing, what are the potential issues that could be, and then whether they need to be escalated or whether they are just noise itself only. So we can identify that so that we are not bugging our IT team like we need to work onto it, but AI is identifying whether this particular event or this particular alert actually needs attention of the IT team itself only. So we can do that, and then once it has been identified whether that issue is a noise or whether that is a critical issue, we can leverage AI to do some self-healing as well. When I say self-healing, what that means is it can simply, if it has received like the server is not responding, it can send a reset signal to the server itself only, and it will restart the server. Or if you have a auto scaling script, it can simply trigger that with the data that you have provided, like the server utilization is at 90% and you are hitting the auto scaling script. So it will automatically, upscale the server to have, instead of 3 servers, now you have 4 servers. So things like that we can do with it. Then we have, the capability where the sorry about that. So apart from that, we have the capability of identifying what is the actual thing that is impacting our scenarios. What's the root cause for it? So we can identify it and we can notify the IT team. This happened, we identified it could be the reason why this is happening, and we have done this. And now if it is still not performing, we can bring in the incident team, we can bring in the IT guys to actually look into it. So thus saving the time of the IT team and ensuring we are being efficient, and we are also keeping the cost at minimum by not involving IT team again and again and doing things which AI could help us in. So that is what AI ops in general. I will talk about it in a bit more sense when we will be looking at our demo.